Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Bitcoin has seen strong upside momentum since bottoming at 93,300 on the 18th of February, steadily climbing toward the psychological barrier of 100,000. Earlier today, we nearly touched 99,500 before news broke that Bybit, the world's third largest exchange, had suffered a devastating 1.5 billion USD hack in ETH. The impact was immediate. Bitcoin reacted with a sharp minus 4.6% drop, retracing to the horizontal blue support at 95,000. If you missed the initial breakout earlier this week, this dip offers another high-risk entry opportunity. The confluence of a green dot swing on the wave trend and RSI deep in oversold territory suggests favorable conditions for a bounce. Naturally, price could range or even dip further, so waiting for a confirmation signal like a trigger wave is key. But this kind of volatility is exactly what creates prime trading setups. 100,000 is still in play. In the past 24 hours, the market has absorbed 566.99 million in liquidations, with longs taking the bigger hit at 324.72 million, while shorts saw 242.26 million wiped out. The 3-day liquidation heat map provides insight into market sentiment. Bulls aggressively bought the dip, which is usually an early sign of potential downside continuation. These types of squeezes often fuel another leg down before reversal. Caution remains critical. Zooming out to the 2-week liquidation heat map, things look highly unusual. Unlike the usual structured liquidations driven by market makers, this hack-induced move introduced randomness. Normally, the upside breakout through short liquidations from 99,400 to 101,000 would have been a textbook liquidity hunt. Instead, the crash redirected price into a low liquidity zone, turning the heat map from a bright cluster around 100,000 to a near black void at lower levels. A stark contrast, the region that previously held peak leverage exposure at 795 million now sits in no man's land, with only minimal activity in the low hundreds of millions. Bybit responded swiftly, with the CEO confirming they were utilizing ledger security, another reason to be cautious. My advice, if you're serious about securing your assets, use Trezor with a secure element or opt for a cold card. An interesting correlation re-emerged today. Coincidentally, at the same time as the hack, the SPX dropped minus 1.72%, showing strong oversold conditions on the 1-hour chart. Despite Bitcoin decoupling from equities in recent history, today's move hints at a brief recorrelation. Whether this continues remains to be seen, but it's an important signal to monitor. New findings reveal the hacker has begun bridging stolen funds into the Solana network. Laundering through meme coins is a likely strategy, though they could also continue bridging into Monero for deeper obfuscation. Speculation points to the Lazarus Group, North Korea's notorious cybercrime unit, as the orchestrators, but confirmation remains elusive currently. Bitcoin is stabilizing above the 96,000 horizontal support, maintaining bullish momentum heading into the end of February. Stay ahead of the market. Join the free Discord for real-time updates. If this analysis brought you value, click the like button. It's free for you and helps a lot. Subscribe and hit the bell to never miss a critical market move. And see you in the next one.